Hi, so I wanted to make this quick testimonial about Johnnie Urban and her blueprint, her speech blueprint, signature speech blueprint. That's what it's called. I met Johnnie at an online networking event, and she was really kind, really inquisitive as to what my business was. At the time, I was still kind of trying to figure it out, to be honest with you. What I do is I do business consulting, branding, and also masterminds. But during this process, this interview, this meeting online, we got to talking, and I think I actually won her services. There was like a free package, it was a raffle, and I got to speak to her about it. So she sent me her blueprint, her signature speech blueprint. So I went through that. It was pretty intensive, but if you follow the instructions, you will get through it. That was the beginning of, I guess you could say, my career. I didn't really know if I was going to be speaking yet. I know that that's the way I'm going with my business. I have done it before in regards to real estate education and some other things. But I really my main problem was that I don't feel like in my comfort zone doing it, because I always feel like I ramble, I go all over the place. I mean, you can probably see that from this testimonial right now. And I really wanted to get to the point where I was able to be me and authentic, but not to give true value, but not like feel forced or just not myself when doing it. And I never really felt that great doing stuff from a presentation. I was like riffing with the crowd and interacting with them. So her blueprint was a way for me to try to achieve both, be myself, and then also still deliver something of value to an audience. So I guess you can call it urban speech hacking. Her name's Johnnie Urban. That's her signature, her speech name. So she asked me to do a brain dump of everything, to go through her blueprint, to start to fill out some of these things. And then I came up with something. But what I came up with actually was too much. In fact, it was better something that was probably written than presented. But because I went through that exercise, because I did everything in the blueprint, and then we had a talk after, I wanted to get down to the main speaking points. And during this analysis, you discover that this might have not been a speech worthy. It was probably something more of a book or of some kind worthy. So that gave me clarity in that what I was going to write needed to be tighter, and there were some other things in it. I didn't really have a speech before we began. I wrote one, found out that was not probably the best speech to go to an audience with, but it also taught me what to look for and what to write about, and how to kind of whittle it down and get it to a place where it was something that a person could absorb if I was giving a speech. So the biggest impact from that was to get it all out, to see what it looks like, and then to have someone kind of look at it and go through it. That's what she did, to find out what's not working. And a good amount of that stuff wasn't really working for the intended purpose, which was a speech, a signature speech, something that would be like 20 minutes in front of a crowd. So how that helped me was I actually had to do another presentation. I didn't really have anything. I was able to, it's not a failure, but the failure of the first attempt, put something together, whip it together in my mind, hit some valid points, hit 4 good points, get it all nice and tight. And then when I did this next interview with this crowd, I was able to have an impact and actually secure some consulting clients from it, simply by trashing the other stuff, not trashing the principles, but trashing the other speech for now, and recreating a whole one with what she taught me, using like the observations that she told me in the writing. And I was able to pull something together really quick. It came out great. Everybody loved it. And I got a client from it, which is kind of like what we all want to, speak for, to get clients. So that's it. That was my impression of Johnnie. She knows what she's doing. Her blueprint is great. And I think you should take a chance with her. That's it. Thanks a lot.